bari bokurwaria etugo nigo bono baesokire na kwerero kubwatarana kwabo na serikali yense ya Kenya bunenchire mu chiakonekia obobwenia ase etugo ao ime yense ya Kenya sibasabira batugi gwesokia kwenekia nkubwatarana bare nekiombekyo herigo chigokora na kurwania amaroire ao ayo kubwatarana netugo gento keirere obokea kwe rigasa ryabane.
We've gathered here today to have this multi-stakeholder meeting, which is bringing together participants who are involved in ruminant vaccination. And the reason we are here today is to look at how we can raise the national ruminant vaccination rate. The government of Kenya has already set some very ambitious targets, and they've shown strong leadership in the proclamation that was given about a year ago of vaccinating 22 million cattle and 50 million sheep and goats. So as government, we are here to support this initiative, and we are calling for collaboration across all parties, across all stakeholders, because we know this is a very important campaign and no one organization would be able to achieve this ambitious goal without collaborating with other partners. We are calling on the private sector, the government, and anyone else who's involved in international development in the animal health sector, in the livestock sector, to come together to see how we can support this very important initiative. We know very much that livestock are a backbone of Kenya's economy, and we would like to support this very important venture.
KVA, that is Kenya Veterinary Association, we are in partnership with the government and the DVS to deliver the ruminant vaccination across the country.
Some of the countries that we had initially we have not been able to access the markets that actually we lost, and therefore that's why this meeting is very, very important. Without it, I'm very sure that whatever we are trying to do, because right now we are running a program of vaccination that is led by the executive for specifically two diseases, that is foot and mouth and PPR.